It's important to talk too, just briefly, about what it is to be human, and that how fundamental it is in terms of the development of us as human beings. The evolution of human beings is at least partly explained by our ability to cook. And in fact, there's been huge amounts of research done around this. There's an academic called Richard Wrangham who wrote a book called Catching Fire, How Cooking Made Us Human. And literally the process of learning mastery of fire, which enabled us to cook raw foods and make the energy available in the foods more readily available to our bodies, can be attributed to what happened in terms of the departure from apes to humans. Simply, we were able to step beyond that realm of foraging and digesting our food and having most of our time and energy and efforts dedicated to that practice. The acquisition of mastery of cooking and mastery of fire meant that we were able to make more energy available to the development physically of our brains, our consciousness.